you mind if I start with the first part and then transition to you, gentlemen?
Yeah.
So what's the difference between Atlantic Trident 2025 and Atlantic Trident 2017? Right? That one we conducted in Langley Air Force Base in Virginia. And then we're able to move more through here to the European theater. So in the 2017 exercise, we had Typhoons, we had F-22s, and we had the Rafales flying together in the airspace, learning how to integrate fourth and fifth generation air power. This exercise included intelligence and information sharing, command and control both at the operational and at the tactical level. We conducted contested logistics for the first time, airfield rapid repair, so resiliency of an airfield, aircraft cross-servicing. And imagine a U.S. airplane landing at a French air base, and they're able to refuel it, check the tires, kick the tires, if you will, right, and then launch the airplane back again. We did that. Agile combat employment, and then we advanced some of our defensive combat operations in the skies as well. So normally, Atlantic Trident had been focused on just the aircrew, right, from the fights on to the knock it off, and then the learning in the mission planning, and then the debrief. And this exercise had encompassed so many other functions of warfare that are important for not only deterrence, but for our resilience and guaranteed for our integration. So it's a huge, huge change from Atlantic Trident originally. And it was a large step that we were trying to take in this one. In some cases, we thought we might have tried to bite off more than we could chew. But it turns out that the service members across the nations, we gave them some daunting tasks, and they exceeded our expectations, which is a great sign. Great sign of their professionalism and their readiness. General Thomas?
Yes, for the second part of your question, I don't know if there is a French touch to the exercise, because our goal is to be, as I said before, the most interoperable possible with our allies in a very complex situation. What I could say is that we try to adapt very quickly to the scenario, to the events. That's perhaps a sort of French touch, being able to do something that was not prepared at the beginning. But I would like to underline the role played by our battalion in charge of repairing damaged runways. It was the first time, as I said, that they were deployed with so many equipments, and it was, I think, a very strong message for this exercise, and it was a brand new part of the exercise that was not played before.